Most men and women hate cleaning windows, but nowadays we don't have to get it manually because robots exist which can get it done for us. If you allow dirt and smudges remain in your windows in hopes that a rainstorm cleans them away, you aren't alone. A good proportion of homeowners rate window cleaning among the most dreaded chores around the list. Robot window cleaners are fairly similar to robot vacuum cleaners, however WinBots can adhere to windows whenever they wash them. WinBots are highly effective for homeowners with large or inaccessible windows and are easy to prepare and use. Most automatic window cleaners can handle all sorts of windows and have exactly the very same features more or less. Although, there could be differences in models based on height limitations, cleaning modes, battery life, etc. Utilizing smart technology, robotic window cleaners will automatically clean windows of any size and shape. In this video, we tried to review the top 5 best robotic window cleaner with apps and remote control which will help you to choose the right one. We made this list based on our personal opinion and we ranked them after our hard-working research based on their price, customer opinion, safety, durability, reputation, and our standard reviewing process. Let's check them all. Mamibot W120-T Robotic Window Cleaner with remote control. Special designed microfabric cloth with no hurt-to-glass surface. The built-in UPS battery help robot suck on windows for 20 minutes and send alarms if power supply is cut suddenly. A long-lasting brushless motor generates a high suction power of 4,000 Pascal. Mamibot W120-T with a height of just 10 cm it is able to reach corners that are difficult to access. HABOT 298 Window Cleaning Automatic Robot. Automatic ultrasonic water spray. Applicable to frameless windows, laser sensor detects edges of windows, high-strength safety rope, tensile strength 150 kgf, and buckle. Stops automatically upon completion of cleaning. AlfaBot Window Cleaner Robot with automatic water spray. A 30-minute backup battery in case of a power failure. Once complete cleaning it will then return to where it started cleaning, for convenient removal. This machine is not cordless, it must be connected to the AC power to be used normally. Multiple Safety System X7 Robot has a fork pass suction power to ensure the robot is firmly attached to the glass. It comes with a safety rope attachment feature, ensuring double protection and security for your device. QKU Smart Robotic Window Cleaner with apps and remote control. Highly simulating human hands swinging left and right to wipe the window to achieve an effective cleaning effect. Deep cleaning effect double turbine rotating wipe, adopting ergonomic movement design. Apps supports Android and iOS systems. Built-in safety battery, even if the power is off it will not stop working immediately. Equipped with edge detection technology, it can automatically recognize the border or obstruction. HABOT 388 Automatic Smart Robot Window Glass Cleaner. AI technology and control via smartphone apps or remote. 3 programs for automatic cleaning of surfaces. The new patented ultrasonic water spray nozzle that can nebulize water to 15 micrometers mists then sprays it. HABOT is able to overcome small air leakages and move well on rough surfaces. A vacuum motor inside, 2 specially designed cleaning wheels and a microfiber cloth. Things to consider before buying for best robotic window cleaner. Now, here we discuss some of the conditions that should be considered before deciding to buy a robotic window cleaner for your home or office window cleaning. Type of connectivity. A window cleaning robot utilizes 2 common procedures to link itself into the face of the window. The first technique is that the suction and the next procedure is magnetic. The magnetic connectivity will probably require you to gain access to the other side of the window. Safety. Safety is an integral feature since you don't want a robot to drop off the glass. First, they can be costly, so you won't want it breaking, and second, if it drops on someone from a height, it might be extremely dangerous. Battery life. Most of the window cleaning robots work only when they are linked to electricity, but such robots will also come with a battery that functions as a power backup. This is because the majority of suction-kind window cleaners use the model to come up with suction which may defy gravity. That is the reason why a lot of manufacturers include a battery that retains the window cleaner secure on the window in the event of a power failure. Controls. A window cleaning robot must ideally wash out the window with no input in the end. But it's normal to find places on the window which require more passes to eliminate the stain completely. Many are controlled by distant while some may be controlled by means of a smartphone app. Availability of spare parts. Just like the robot vacuum cleaner, the user will also need to replace some parts of the window cleaner. This is since the product cleans, the cleanup surfaces are gradually exposed to wear and tear, causing the need for replacement. It is ideal for window cleaners to have replacement components that are easily available in local shops. Cleaning power. How does it really wash the glass? Some are designed simply to keep clean glass looking good while some can handle more encrusted dirt. This usually means some are much better when used frequently since they will not ever allow a window become overly cluttered. However, if you want one for more heavy cleaning, you need to pick accordingly. So, if you are looking for the top-rated best robotic window cleaner with apps and remote control for your home and office window cleaning, you can consider any of them. Thanks for watching the video. Find the product link on description below. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell so you notify if we upload a new video on our channel.